Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the motion blur effect to your video in CapCut PC. This is simple trick that I want to um, show you. Alright, so go to media and import your video you like to edit, and I'm going to select video to the track and go to effect, select lens. Scroll down until you find the motion blur, just download it and add to the track. Okay, just for the duration is same with the video duration, and I just for the option right here for the position, blur position and strength, like this, and you can see for the final result. Yeah, it's super helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.